Now we're going to talk about how to create an internal style sheet. This is the second exercise of the same PDF. Remember, do not copy and paste this code from PDF or Word into Notepad. Alright, let's go back down to exercise 2. So we're going to open a text document and enter the following code. You're going to save the document as my internal or just internal, and you're going to open it and you're going to see if it looks the same as this does right here. Alright, so I already created a notepad, I saved it as an HTML, and I've entered the code. So again, let me make this a little bigger for you to read. Alright, so all I did is I took my external style sheet, did a save as, so I had all this code, but I deleted the link and I added the code that they described here for an inline style. So you go style and you have to add all the way down to the close style tag. So let's look at my code. I have my head tag, I have the title, and I changed it to internal, and now I have the style type equals quotes text / CSS end quotes, and you end that part of the code. Now we're going to define the H2 tag. So we have our bracket, we're defining the color, in this case it's $0000FF, semicolon, font family is going to be Helvetica, semicolon, and the background color is going to be this $, 4Fs, and 2 zeros, semicolon, end the bracket, and you have to end the style tag. You have to close it. I end my head tag, I start my body tag, and I use my H2 tag, and I just do some example text. So this is an internal style sheet. So we should have something that looks like this. So let me go to my file where I'm keeping my style sheets. I open my internal, and voila, I have, here's the code, and here is the example. Now again, if I change the color, let's say I want red text, and remember I got to get rid of the $. I can do that, file, save, refresh, and it changes it to red. So any changes you make in your HTML page with your inlines or your internal style will change throughout the whole page. And if I use the H1 tag, don't forget to close it. Okay. File, save. I go over here and refresh. And it says this is the H1 tag. Now it doesn't look like my external style sheet because I don't have it attached to this web page. If I had it attached, it would look like it did in the external style sheet lesson. So even though we defined the H2 tag in an inline internal style sheet, we did not define the H1 tag, so it automatically defaults to the browser's definition of an H1 tag. Alright, so this is how you create an internal style sheet.